Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming permissions and gathering assets. This saves time and prevents banned character creation. Once you have the required role or level and the 500 coins, open your character menu. Make sure to download the Android Shadow model and its sprite sheet. You often need admin approval before importing. If a template exists, load it now and replace default stats with Android Shadow base values. Doing this first avoids corrupted imports and wasted currency. Once done importing, position and scale the model to the engine's thumbnails. Mismatch causes clipping. You then edit attributes, set speed higher, boost stealth, and lower health to match the Android Shadow archetype. This balances roleplay and server rules. Make sure to add custom abilities like a chaos control variant or hover dash. Tag cooldowns in seconds so admins can audit. Save a backup copy and test animations in a private instance to catch timing and collision errors. Finish by running a full in-game test. Emulate combat, emotes, and ability chains so you see hitboxes and cooldowns. Once satisfied, submit the character for admin review and request public spawn permission. This prevents accidental bans. If things go wrong, check common culprits: wrong file extensions, inconsistent frame counts in sprites, or missing execute permissions on uploaded files. If animations glitch, re-export at the engine's required FPS and reassign collision boxes, then retest until smooth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.